Nag-teleport. Ang inspiration yan, parang hindi ko maisip.
Hindi ko din alam eh.
Bobo, Panggit,
Cause I'm what? Perfect!
Sabihin mo nga kung pinakina mo, Hana Beshi.
Hi, Peaches Dale here, and welcome back to another episode of The Show. And welcome to my life. And for today's episode, it's the finale day today. And sobrang daming mangyayari kasi we're gonna go to somewhere para i-meet muna si Arizona. And then, doon magpa-prepare and then punta sa viewing party. And after viewing party, we're gonna go to Rampa. Eto, different day ko na to, Shino, tong intro na to, ha? Grabe yung level ng pagod ko dito sa vlog na to. Etong araw na to yung feeling ko nag-hallucinate na ako. Before pa tong day na to, nagpunta ko ng vet, 3 a.m. in the morning. Malamang, AM nga eh. Dinala ko yung headshot ko sa vet. May emergency na nangyari and wala palang doktor during that time. So, balik ako ng bahay. And then, so basically, 1 hour lang yung 1 hour, 2 hours lang yung tulog. And then go straight sa ating finale day. So, pasabog tapos hanggang after party tayo for this episode! I hope that you guys will like this video. You'll enjoy this content. And I would just like to say thank you to all of you na nagsusupport ng aking contents, especially in this Lacian Royale season. I hope you guys still watch my contents even after Drag Race Philippines Lacian Royale kasi madami akong inihandang contents for you all. So yes, before we start, please do follow me on my social media accounts. And girl, you're already here, so please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell para updated ka sa aking mga vlogs. And guys, please also subscribe to Arizona's channel. And please watch her music video. Sobrang pasabog na music video kasi if you have not watched it yet, girl, you're missing out a lot. So watch it na kasi sobrang mapapa-party-party kayo. Budots-budots yun. And kami inihandang contents for you all. So please subscribe to her channel. So what are we waiting for? Let's go to somewhere. Kung saan man ako mapupunta after this clip. Okay, so let's go! Ayan, so nandito na tayo sa loob ng ating pagsistayan for today's video. Dito siya sa may BGC kasi para mas malapit lang sa location for Drag Race Finale, viewing party, Kinester. So ayan, wala pa sila. Tayo mag-room tour. Ayan, ang ganda here. Tabog, ayan. Meron pa siyang closet. Yes! Ay, ganda na. Rooms. Ay. Feeling ko dito na si Ari kasi malaki itich. So, ayan. Ang dilim. Doon tayo sa labas. Ayan. So, ano lang tayo ngayon? Ganyan lang tayo. So, ayan. Ngayon, very, very exciting. Ngayon pa lang, iniisip ko pa lang ang mga nangyayari. Medyo nakakapagod na siya. Pero, for sure, mag-enjoy ako ng malala. Rooting for Ari, kay Mrs., kay Briggs, and Suki. Actually, kahit sino sa kanila, pwede. Like, okay lang sa akin. Wala akong problema. Kung sino man manalo sa inyo, bahala na kayo dyan. Kasi lahat sila deserving. Girl. Pag napanood nyo to, for sure na ilabas na ang music video ng Arizona B ni Arizona Brandy. So yun, check nyo yan here. Ito. Itong link dito. Kung saan man dyan. See kung anong oras sila makakarating. It's already 12:14. So yeah, hintayin ko na lang sila. And look at my feet, guys. Like, oh my gosh, I super love this. I super love this. Wala lang. Actually, black and gold yung theme ngayon. Yes, meron akong gold and black, so wag na kayo umarte dyan. Siyempre habang nag-wait tayo sa kanila, manonood muna tayo. Night time, ha 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 ha. Nag-react po tayo sa vlog ko before.
React.
Oo.
Kasi sabi?
Puro tayo siya pa! Lara! How dear man! Tapos na-break ko.
Bakit yan sa kanya?
Okay, sige po. Sige. Perfect.
Ayan! Nandito na tayo sa rehearsal. Nandito na ang alaga natin, si Alizo.
Si ano lang ako?
Sino ba? Si Siam pala. Kay Siam pala. Hi, Lizelle. Ano namang feeling na magkasama tayo ngayon here?
Butterflies or butterflying.
True, tapos yung isa
Ay, si
nating
Kaka.
butterfly, si Kaka. Tapos ito,
Ano, fly lang.
rehearsing na sila. Let's go, Siam! Ayan, so papunta na po tayo. Mga kababayan, let's go! Pupunta na tayo sa silo para mag-party-party. Hindi mo lang for finale.
It's for
Let's
bulldogs.
go!
For me another, I'm going in. So wish me good luck. Yeah, I gotta put on my favorite song. I need a
Ba't naging nandito si Ari? Yung sa kabila siya? Nalipat. Nag-teleport.
Hi guys! Welcome to
na.
YouTube channel. Yes, nag-start na yung aming event ng Drag Race Philippines. Sobrang nakaka-excite. Oh my God, ano kayang mangyayari, di ba? Sino nang next na kokoronahan na bilang first ever Station Royal Queen?
So, maganda.
Nakakainis.
Sinabi ni Pam.
Nakaka-excite. So, watch this, guys.
Work. Ang dami niyang line. So, exciting. Ayan na. Yan, so, nagsa-start na and exciting! Let's see what's gonna happen.
Manila on all their social media pages. Now, ano pa ang favorite moments mo sa Station Royale?
Kung nag-peaking sila, kung nag-away-away na sila.
Hi, Macy's! Ang ganda-ganda ng look niya. Oh my gosh. Anong inspiration yan? Parang hindi ko maisip.
Hindi ko din alam eh. Heart. Precious heart.
Para dedication talaga yung kay Precious. I love you so much and good
I
luck.
love you too. Peaches! Mag-ingoy!
Hello, Ivory! Can you say hi, Peaches? That's my view.
Hi, Peaches! Mabuhay!
Any Tagalog words that it's like your favorite Tagalog word?
Bobo, Panget,
Cause I'm what? Perfect.
I know so many words. I learn a lot.
You're already a Filipino. Nice to meet you,
Nice to
Ivory.
meet you. Oh my God, I've been squatting. Look at this. Thank God the vlog is over. I need to
Yeah,
I can't keep
it's
holding
okay.
that down.
I will adjust for you. Thank you so much. I love ya.
off, don't go near me, please surrender. Cause I can take no more. I know you can hear this crying words, so just step back. Now let me go, cause it hurts so bad, though it feels so good. We can try to make things better. Every night and day, it will be the same. Dry the tears like it doesn't
Hello, Mama Pao, queen ng ina mo?
Queen ang ina mo rin.
Yes, so congratulations on a very, very successful and pasabog season. Palakpakan natin si Mama Pao. So mga gusto namin malaman, ano ang very special sa Slation Royale season na to for you?
Season itself is very special since this is the first time we had Station Royale. And let's give it up for all our queens! To our Filipino queens, ang dami niyong nakuto. Thank you very much!
Thank you, Mama Pao!
Mama pa, sabihin mo nga kung queen ang ina mo, Hannah Beshi. Sorry. Queen ang ina mo, Hannah Beshi.
Ay! Thank you so much, Mama Pao!
Thank you, Mama Pao.
You will always forever be a station sensation.
It's not gonna end here. It's just the beginning of my love letter to the Filipino drag queens. I hope they get inspired when they see me. I hope that they know that I am so inspired by them. Thank you so much.
But I'd rather kick ya, even though it's Friday night. And I got no plans tomorrow. I could use a
You know what? Congratulations to my mother. It's a big congrats to me too as a drag daughter. Sabi, hindi ko, you know what? The moment naman na nalaman ko na kasama sa Station Royale, alam ko talagang parang sa kanya to this time. Sobrang inspiring. Bukod sa inspiring, alam ko talagang darating yung time na we will celebrate Brigitte for what she does, for what she's been doing for everyone in the community. So, ito na yung moment na yon and I cannot wait para ma-celebrate talaga finally yung name ni Brigitte because she's been that girl since sobrang deserve. Oh my God! Sobrang!
Waiting for Slation 2. Ready
Yes.
na ba agad?
I'm so ready. Mother was ready and I will be ready
Let's
too.
go! Hey, Tisha! Kamusta ang season?
Oh my God, sobrang pasabog and sobrang deserved ng nanalo. And well, we are hoping for a double crowning pero siguro hindi pa ibibigay ngayon kasi may mas maganda pang nakatadhana para kay Vinyas.
Amen! International!
Yes, manifesting din natin yan.
And alam mo ba, ang daming naghahanap ng vlog natin, dating tatlo.
Ayun, magkakaroon tayo ulit soon. Reaction na siguro ng season 4.
Na nandun. Ay!
So yun, thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusupport pa rin sa sister ko na si Dani. And yun, let's keep drag alive.
Hello, sister!
Hello! Diba? Ang sisiker! Pareho kami ng haril.
Right? Girl, dun sa taas, pagkakita ko sa inyo, pare-pareho sila ng hair!
Yun ang goal. Ano nga ang goal? Double santay ang goal. Ayan, Pidgeon, so tapos na tayo sa ating viewing party vlog. And ayan. And pupunta pa kami sa Rampa for the after party. Pero I don't know if makakapag-vlog pa ako doon kasi sobrang busy. Pero I hope you guys enjoyed this and congrats to Brigitte and congrats to J Queen. No? Girl, the P-pop.
Nakaka-inspire yung nanalo si Brigitte.
Yeah, finally, no?
Kasi halos same kami ng edit dati.
O ikaw, kailan ka? Girl, ang daming nag-root sa'yo for Slation 2.
Parang hindi ko bet yung Slation kasi English.
Girl, kaya mo yun. Kaya mo yun.
Hindi nga ako nakakakuha ng app, mag-Slation pa ako. Ano na lang, local all-stars.
Oo,
Para
pwede.
Tagalog,
Para Tagalog, hindi mahirap, no?
Oo, hindi mahirap. Wala na naman akong kabanding, English yung lahat.
Answer the question.
Kasama ka ba?
Yes or no? What's yes in Tagalog?
Yes, Tagalog.
Oo.
Oo. Oo.
Oo, bakit?
Oo, bakit?
Fluent.
Ciao. Yes. Announce, please.
But your scope of work is like you go outside and then like open the door.
Oh, bakit doon? Come in and welcome.
Yeah, welcome to Bicol again.
What is?
You're not gonna perform.
I've been watching you for a while. I know you look at me the same way. You move up close but you don't speak. I have to look the other way. But curiosity is killing me.
Guys, kita-kita niyo si Ivory dyan. Yung ulo niya lang ang ano, ang
One step away, I want you. I gotta know. One step away, I want you. Don't wait too long. Baby, don't go and mess it up. No,
sana na-enjoy nyo ang mga performances at ang Little Chika Chika for this episode. Yung mga ganap-ganap din, ganap-ganap namin as Arizona's Parade team. And abangan nyo pa ang mga inihanda namin ni Ari for you all, guys. Please subscribe to my channel and her channel. Ito, ayan. Yes, thank you so much for watching. And thank you so much for watching this whole series of my vlog for Salation. And thank you so much for watching, Peaches. And kamsahamnida. Annyeong. This is not the last. Okay? Abangan ang mga susunod na kabanata. Madami pa akong drag contents. Sige, stream. Stream na. Stream. Stream na yan.
B is for boo.
Boo!